Hey guys, tomorrow is a duathlon competition and I had to prepare this Tribars setup in a hurry, so I made this custom tape to create grip and comfort on this Tribars. I made it from old tube. So how I made it? I used double-sided for me kind of jelly tape, double-sided. Then I cut stripes from old bicycle tube. You can see it on the picture, dimensions, and I also cut these places to make it wrap evenly. And lens, you need to make sure it will wrap all the area you need. Then I used also electrical tape to make it to prevent unwrapping, and especially at the end of this job. And I put it on the beginning also to make sure it will not unwrap in this race condition. And first of all, and very important, is clean up setup. You need to clean these tube stripes very well with I used isopropyl alcohol and microfiber, and also to clean up the stripe bars area. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If I will find time, maybe I will help you. Good luck. This is Tribars on the bike already. 25 millimeter racing spacers. So we'll see how it goes. So this custom grips did the job pretty well at the duathlon competition.